Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim 1 day of free Nitro by watching the new trailer for... Oh my god, I actually don't remember what trailer it was for. Anyways, let's just go to quests real quick. Go to the Discover section, and if you're on apps, just go to quests here. Oh, GTA, duh. You can claim 1 day of Nitro by watching the new GTA trailer. You're just going to select Start Video Quest, and you're going to win just 1 day of Nitro. There's also other new quests here, like the Sledgehammer Avatar decoration. You'll need to play R6. And then this one, I don't know what a woo wuck. Sorry, I'm gonna butcher that. Oh my gosh, this one's cute, but you need to play Towerborn to claim a Shira Mask avatar, and this one's also super cute. I might have to download Starlight Revolver if it's a free game because this one's super cute. But yeah, these are the new quests on Discord. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.